All right, we're gonna turn this hairdo and turning it into this. I'm gonna teach you how I take this 25mm wand and make a loose, everyday hair curl that you can do so quick that you're gonna love. Let's check this out. I am going to bring to you some easy curls. We wanna make sure that easy is the name of the game, right? And maybe last you a good couple days. So again, these are easy, loose curls that I'm gonna use with a 25mm hair wand. I like the wand. The reason why I like a hair wand over a curly iron is because I like that I can do what's called a rope wrap instead of a flat wrap. So a flat wrap is where everything is literally just very, very flat on the wand. And a rope wrap is, you can do whatever the heck you want, and it makes it a lot more fun. So we're just gonna bring these around. I'll hold it in my hair for a good, maybe 10 seconds, some, and maybe 5 seconds for others. That's how I like to add definition to my hair. So if you want dimension, if you want dimension in your hair with a little bit of definition as well, then hold your curls at different times, and then it's gonna give each curl a different look. All right, so we got the whole shebang. Now, check this out. So there are pieces under here I didn't curl. Those aren't gonna matter because they're truly not really gonna be seen because these curls are so loose. Now, and if I miss a curl, forgive me because I can't see what I'm doing. It does feel like I missed something. Oh yeah, I missed a good one in the back. You never do know. But I don't have to get the hole underneath because these are loose curls. We don't want tight curls. And yeah. All right, let's do a whole other section here. I wish I could talk to you, be like, hey, what's up? How you doing? Okay, but really, how are you doing? So I'm the kind of person that, you know, you can chat to. So comment below, how are you doing? How's today? I will comment back. How is your day going? How are you feeling? How's life? I want you happy while we roll these hairstyles out. Okay, so a lot of times when you do that very first one, it is more of a flat wrap and then it comes around. So I'm gonna do this one, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're gonna go around and just do different times. Next time you do your hair, you're gonna be counting. 1, 2. Okay, FYI, before I blow dried my hair, I put in 3 products. One is for a hair protection, one is for volume, so like a mousse, and one is a salt and sea spray. So when you get those things in, because we protect our hair, we add volume, and we add texture. When you find products that can do those 3 things for you before you blow dry, that's what helps hold those curls so much more. So find yourself a product that you love. If you want recommendations from me, I'm happy to give them to you, but find something that's going to protect your hair and then give your hair volume and then help it add texture, okay? Those 3 things before you blow dry. You wanna pick things that don't make your hair too heavy because that heaviness makes it so that they can't last for very long, but you definitely want something in your hair. If you're whining that you can't get your hair to stay, but you don't like the curls to stay, but you don't put any products in your hair before you blow dry, that's why. All right, I'm gonna do this other side and come on back. All right, here we go for the next layer. So I pretty much part mine in 4, but this is gonna depend on how much hair you happen to have. We've already addressed how you're doing today, right? All right, so how do you curl your hair? Are you somebody who is loving a flat iron? Are you somebody who loves a curling iron? Or are you somebody who loves a wand? Did you know that the way that you curl your hair on day 1 reflects on how it's going to be for the whole entire time? For example, if you curl your hair with a flat iron on day 1, or if you were to straighten your hair on day 1, the curl that you get for the rest of the time that you have your hair washed, it's not gonna show up as strong. If you curl your hair more with these on day 1, and you wanted to change up your curls on day 2, oh, I definitely Yeah, I don't want that. Or change your curls on day 2 or 3. When you went in with a flat iron for a curl on day 1, that's gonna change up how it curls. I'll fix that. How it curls on day 2 or day 3. So the wand is the best way to go on day 1 if you're wanting something, or a curling iron, but I definitely like using a wand for sure, because I can get these chunkier pieces that spiral around each other. All right, so again, I'm just gonna go around a bit more. And so remember to pay attention to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 5 seconds. So just that light curl versus holding them in a lot longer. So these are still gonna produce really loose curls, but if you're wanting it a lot looser, more of that 5-second range, that's when you're gonna get it the most loose. So it's just based off of how you want. And I do like to add a little more depth to the underneath. So having a little bit more curly pieces or not so many curly pieces, that's gonna make a difference on your hair too. This front piece, I'm definitely gonna take a flat iron and straighten it out, because I do not want curls like that. I like them to be more straight at the end. All right, I'll finish this side up and come right back to you. Okay, here we are for the very last stage. So this is where you have to decide, where do you want your part? Because if you do it down the center and it, then you move it over, your curls are gonna be turned the other way. So I have been doing it down the center lately. I've been really liking the center look, but if you're someone who doesn't, then don't. Part it more over to the side. How I get my volume is by going more, see like that, over to the side. And if you want more of a flatter top, then you're gonna do this. I don't know if you guys can hear this in this video, but if you can, there's like a weird alarm going off. So I don't know what's up. It almost sounds like a bird. Who knows? All right, so I'm gonna roll out this side, and in here in the front, you're gonna see me go in to not going all the way up to the top of by my root. You're gonna see me do this front piece only about mid shaft and down. And then of course I leave out that end there like I didn't leave on that one piece. And you're gonna see it just lightly. See that? Just a loose curl right there. So this is like your everyday hairstyle, guys. This is nothing that needs to be hard. This is like just an easy curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy peasy curls, okay? So again, however, we added that dimension underneath so we can do whatever the heck we want, wherever we want. And if you don't like that curl, since this isn't used with a flat iron, you can go back and make it a stronger curl if you want to. Okay, do I leave it down the center? What kind of part do you like? Do I leave it down the center or do I do it to the side? Since I've been doing it down the center lately on Instagram and everywhere, let's do it to the side, because I haven't done those for quite a while. So in the front again, only mid shaft and down. Okay, so just a little bit of a curl. And then like so. Okay, so this one I go to the root, not just mid shaft, because I do want to build up that volume. All right, now see that curl? See that volume that was just created? What? So good. Okay, let's finish this out with these last and final pieces, and then I will show you how I finish out my look. This one I want to have a good curl. All right, so again, loose, awesome, everyday curls that you can do. So I'm gonna take this, I like to use a really light oil to go through my curls. So I want to go through with my finger, not a brush. These are already really light curls as it is. So I just spray it on my hand, just so that my hand doesn't kind of stick to it all. And then I go through. The other fun thing that you can do is adding, this is where See, I don't like that curl. I'll fix that. You can go in and add dry shampoo to help add to that volume. Now, from here, I want to add, look how fun this is, okay? All right. So from here, I want to add my dry shampoo to get some good volume, and because it's a good thing to add on day one anyways, but it kind of adds a little more texture, something to the hair. Okay, I'm gonna get this. This is a travel size. This one only comes in this size, but when I find a good hairspray, I don't care what it is. Well, I don't care what size it is. When I find one, I will use it. Okay, so we got this volume, we got loose curls, and we're rocking it. Wait, I want to check out the back real fast. Okay, we're good, we're good. So here it is. Here is your loose curls that I just did. So this was a 25 millimeter. My hair is yay height. I'm gonna spin it all around for you. You can part it down the middle. You can create this volume on top. You can do whatever you want. You can add a pomade to your ends to get your ends all taken care of. That one curl in front actually turned out good, so I didn't even fix it. And we're done. Ta-da. So if you want to see more hair tutorials like this, Thursday on Facebook, I have a Facebook page called Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. And I have tons of videos over there that you can check out too, along with a lot of other ones that we have here. One of my very favorite hair wands, it's called the tapered wand that I use. I love creating a look like that, and I just did one like that not too long ago, so you can check that video out here as well. But if you ever have questions or any recommendations, shoot them my way. Comment below any recommendations that you have. I'm happy to help you out. But again, Jocelyn McClellan, oh, Instagram, jocelyn.mcclellan. Don't miss that one, because that one, I'm offering tips and tricks all the time. You're set. Take care, have a good one. We'll see you.